What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate images with ChatGPT 4.0 absolutely for free. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because at 10k subscribers I'm going to show you my complete YouTube strategy on how to make money online, including all of my analytics. So let's jump into the video right now. As you can see, we are on the chatgpt.com website, we are logged in and we have selected the ChatGPT 4.0 engine. And what this new engine is offering is that it can generate images absolutely for free. Unlike the GPT-4 engine, where you have to pay, you have to have a plus or a team plan in order to generate images with the built-in DALL-E software. It is not included in the 3.5, but now it is, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's create a little prompt. We are going to start like this: generate an image of a man swimming in a sea that is bordering to a desert. And we are going to send this prompt. And I will be back when the image is created. The image is created, and as you can see, a man that is swimming in a sea that is bordering to a desert. And yeah, look how it looks. It is very high quality. That's also new in this ChatGPT 4.0 engine. The quality is very high. You can even select some pieces of the image and you can change it to your all personal preferences. That's also something that was in the ChatGPT 4, but I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to select the man. And I'm going to tell the engine to change it to a woman. Change the man to a woman. And again, I will be back when the generation is finished. And as you can see, it's finished right now and the man is changed to a woman. Actually pretty cool. And that's basically how it works, guys. This is how you generate images. Just make sure the prompt is clear, that the engine knows what to do, and then you will be perfectly fine. So if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and then I'll see you guys in the future. Bye bye.